All right, so we're going to do a little bit of a shorter video this morning. Last video, we learned about automatic backups of the Junipers to a remote Ubuntu server. Really cool, really infinitely useful, something no matter how many devices you have. In your network, you're going to want to have them backed up. So let's keep on working through this topic. We're going to start a new one today. It's going to be continuing with device infrastructure, automation implementation, but we're going to move on to scripts. So we already did a script in the last one. It was an event script, but we'll be, oh, it looks like I've got the whole guide here posted. So we're going to learn about OP, event and commit scripts. So let's start with OP scripts. It looks like we've got a whole section for that here. I don't see one for event scripts, but we already did an event script in the last example. So, oh, here we go. Event policies and event scripts. So let's start with OP scripts. Maybe not read the whole thing. Yeah, let's just look at how long everything is. I mean, I personally don't know what a OP script is. I know about event scripts and commit scripts, but I don't know what an OP script is. So let's find out. OP script overview, understanding OP scripts. Junos OP operation. OP scripts automate network and device management and troubleshooting. OP scripts can perform any function available through the remote procedure calls, RPCs, supported by either the Junos XML management protocol or the Junos extensible markup language, XML API. OP scripts can be executed manually in the CLI or upon user login, or they can be called from another script. They are executed by the Junos OS management process, MGD. OP scripts allow you to create custom operational mode commands, execute a series of operational mode commands, customize the output of operational mode commands, shorten troubleshooting time by gathering operational information, and iteratively narrowing down the cause of a network problem, perform controlled configuration changes, monitor the overall status of a device by creating a general operation script that periodically checks network warning parameters such as high CPU usage. Very cool. OP scripts are based on the Junos XML management protocol and the Junos XML API. The Junos XML management protocol is an XML-based RPC mechanism, and the Junos XML API is an XML representation of Junos configuration statements and operational mode commands. For additional information, see Junos XML management protocol and Junos XML API overview. OP scripts can be written in Python, extensible style sheet language transformations, XSLT, or style sheet language alternative syntax, SLACS. OP scripts use XML path language, XPath, to locate the operational objects to be inspected, and automation script constructs to specify the actions to perform on the operational objects. The actions can change the configuration or output or execute additional commands based on the output. Benefits of OP scripts. OP scripts provide the following benefits: mitigate human error by performing controlled configuration changes, shorten troubleshooting time and speed time to resolution for network issues, streamline tasks, enable customization of operational commands and their outputs. So let's keep on reading. How do they work? OP scripts execute JNCIE-SP operational commands and inspect the resulting output. After inspection, OP scripts can manipulate the output or automatically correct errors within the device running JNCIE-SP based on this output. You enable OP scripts by listing the file names of one or more OP script files within the Edit System Scripts OP hierarchy level. To execute local OP scripts, you must add the files to the appropriate OP script directory on the device. For more information about OP script file directories, see Storing and Enabling Scripts. Once added to the device, OP scripts are invoked from the command line using the OP file name command. You can also store and execute OP scripts from a remote site. Remote OP scripts are invoked from the command line using the OP URL command. For more information about executing remote OP scripts, see Executing an OP script from a remote site. You can use OP scripts to generate changes to the device configuration. Because the changes are loaded before the standard validation checks are performed, they are validated for correct syntax. Just like statements already present in the configuration before the script is applied. If the syntax is correct, the configuration is archived and becomes the active operational device configuration. Okay, so let's try to kind of cut down the length of this topic. It's just a lot. And we've got two more types of scripts to learn about. In fact, I can even, one thing I can do, I've only got 5 minutes. I can do the math on the BGP topic as a whole, because I have only done the math on one section of it. So that might have to be in another video, but it's definitely not a thing where I can just give every topic, every single detail. There's too much information on the test. I've really got to be smart with how much time I allocate to each thing. So I would like to have a better understanding of how well I am doing in that regard, and if I need to do a lot better. I have a feeling I do need to do a lot better. It looks like, unfortunately, this would take a lot of time on its own to calculate the total length of time I've spent on these videos. You can see, unfortunately, there is no way to get just your total amount that you've uploaded, because I mean, that's definitely what I want to see. I don't want to see how many videos I uploaded. I want to see the time that I've uploaded so I can track my pace during this exam. There's no way to do that. Just kind of a big flaw with YouTube. And I don't know of any other platforms that I can upload to. So yeah, I'm gonna skip that. For now, maybe do it between videos. So, so yeah, these are slacks. So maybe I'll just do all the examples and then go back and do the reference information if I can't make it through the example. Oh, and they're all examples, lots and lots of examples for OP scripts, and they're all pretty long, it looks like, too. So yeah, kind of a bit of a mountain to climb, and this is just for OP scripts. We got more, but I don't think there's anything super important at the top, especially when it comes to this exam. They might ask me to make a more simple one, but as long as I'm kind of generally familiar with where the configuration goes and what my options are, I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out in real time on the exam. So I think I'm going to cut the video here. So in this video, we made it through just the kind of basic introduction to OP scripts, which stands for operational scripts, I believe, and kind of the tools you have available to make one. In the next video, we'll be going over everything, all of these examples. We won't necessarily be typing them all out, but we'll be typing out at least one, and seeing if we can get a OP script to work before moving on to event scripts, and then after that, commit scripts. So more to come. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.